for a 30 square meter cafe. If you're looking for an affordable music playing device, take a look at the latest ceiling speaker plus amplifier kit from Hikvision. The amplifier supports Bluetooth, USB flash drive, microphone as audio inputs, and supports independent microphone volume control and 2-channel partition volume control. Music can be easily played via Bluetooth with your mobile phone. Besides, there is a set of RCA interfaces on the back of the amplifier, which support connections to computers, offering music play, cue calling functions, and even to smart cameras, boosting the sound range and enhancing alarm effects. It's suitable for a wide variety of application scenarios, like cafes, retail stores, bakeries, and more.